American Dream Garage. Last weekend I went to an auction. I wasn't really expecting to buy a car. And as they say, if you want to get hit by the luck truck, you got to be in the street. And I was in the street in time for this car and was able to buy it. So it is a 1979 Camaro Z28. It's finished in Camel Metallic, which is a very rare color. It has a 4-speed with air, and not only is it very well restored, it drives like a new car. So we will take it for a drive and let you see more of the car in the video. Thanks. Okay, we're gonna take it for a little test drive. So I mentioned about the car, but a little bit more specifics on the restoration that was done to it. I have a receipt for engine rebuild. It was bored 30 over, so I'm assuming too that it was mildly worked a little bit. It feels more than the 185 horsepower that's advertised with this car when it was new. It has a rebuilt transmission, a new clutch. It also has new tires and new brakes. So I don't know a lot of the other specifics about the suspension and so forth, but the way the thing drives and feels and tracks down the highway, I have a feeling that most of the bushings were changed out, and you know, probably new shocks. So the car, to me, and I've bought and sold a lot of cars, it handles like a new car. Four-speed makes it fun. I would say the car isn't blindingly fast. I'll look up the 0 to 60 from the factory. I'm sure this car is faster than it was from the factory. I don't also push these cars too hard on red line, but it's not, again, blindingly fast, but it runs pretty strong, and you can drive it and feel comfortable that you're going to get where you're going. The other thing I mentioned is it does have air conditioning. So as far as what the car needs from now, I think there's minor issues. hope you enjoyed the ride. Thanks for visiting American Dream Garage.